everyone and welcome back to another makeup tutorial. So in this video I'm actually gonna show you guys two looks, a simple natural look and a wild cat inspired look. And I'm also gonna show you guys two animal ears I recently made. I think I got a little bit better and faster in making them, so yeah, I'm pretty happy about my small progress, but please let me know in which ways I can improve more. So since I don't have an interesting topic for this video, I thought I'd just talk about something minuscule that has been getting on my nerves lately. As you guys know, I run a small online shop where I sell my handmade stuff, and I have to go to the post office very often, sometimes pretty much every day. So the people working there, they know me. Now, since about 2 weeks ago, a new girl started working there, and this is pretty common. There's always a new guy or girl for about 2 months or so, and then they go away for some reason. Probably it's just an internship or something. I don't know. So anyways, I had about 15 to 20 packages to send out one day, and I went to this new girl. I say hi, and as I'm putting the packages on the counter, I notice how she doesn't acknowledge me. I patiently wait, and finally she reacts, and she looks at the packages I put on the table, makes a disgruntled face, forcefully grabs them and asks, "What's in these packages?" Okay, so in my whole 7 years of shipping out things, I never had a post office worker ask me that, and I actually later heard from the older lady who works there that it's pretty unprofessional to ask this intrusive question because it's literally none of their business. But you know, I wasn't bothered at all with this question, so I said, "Accessories." The girl then makes a weird face and asks again, "Are you sure you're not sending out face masks? Because that's not allowed." So sometimes it's not what you say that makes someone annoyed. Most of the times it's the way they say it, and the way she said that was so abrasive and provoking. Like, I literally answered already that it's accessories, so why ask again? At this point I'm already like, okay, whatever. I repeat myself, no, it's just accessories. So we have 3 ways of sending out packages. One is fast, which provides a tracking number, one is economy, which doesn't provide a tracking number, and one is called priority, which is just super fast with tracked shipping. So if you buy something from my shop, you can either add tracked shipping to the cart or just go with regular economy shipping, which is a bit cheaper. So since most of my customers always take the economy version, I said, "Economy please." And what she said after that wasn't really bad or anything, but it's the way she said it that was kind of weird. She's like, "Oh, of course, the cheapest version, got it." And then she grabs them, like almost squishes them, and then throws them into the shipping baskets. So the next few days, I try to avoid going to her counter, but she still notices how often I go to the post office and makes weird comments about it. Like, for example, "Oh, sending out your accessories again, huh?" But when she says accessories, she makes these subtle air quotes with one hand, and she probably thought I didn't see it because her hand wasn't like next to her head, but below her waist. And I didn't even react to that, I just smiled and nodded, but I was thinking, yeah, I am, but it's none of your business though. One day, unfortunately, I had to go to her counter again, and what she did literally irritated me so much, because that's another thing you don't do ever as a professional post office worker. She grabs my letters and soft packages and literally shakes them, squishes them hard to feel something. I didn't know how to properly react to that, so I just calmly asked, "Is there something wrong?" And she's like, "Oh, I'm just checking." And I thought, what are you checking? I'm not sending out masks or illegal stuff. What are you checking? What gives you the right to treat my packages like that? Granted, I used lots of bubble wrap so nothing gets damaged, but when you squeeze them hard enough, the package might rip, since I only use paper-based mailing envelopes and packages. Sometimes, yes, cardboard, but that's besides the point. I said, "Economy please," and she's like, "So, the cheapest and slowest version again." And not only was I irritated already, but this comment was literally not true. Economy is not slow shipping. I've seen so many packages arrive within 1 week to America, and I live in Europe. Of course, sometimes it can take up to 3 weeks, but that's also the same for the priority or fast shipping. At the end of the day, no one can really control how fast the shipping is, especially nowadays. So whatever, since I'm a very patient and non-confrontational person, I stayed calm and unbothered. But honestly, if I saw her actually damaging the packages, like if I saw a small rip, I might have pulled a Karen and asked for the manager. Anyway, so a few days ago, I had a bunch of packages to send out again, and I told this old lady who works there what happened. And by the way, she's so nice. She's been working there since the beginning, and even though we had so many small talks and occasional gift exchanges, she never once asked me what I'm sending out. Which I want to make it clear, I have no problem with answering that question, but the old lady actually told me that it's against the rule to ask something like that. You don't do that, and squishing the letters or packages hard on purpose can literally get you fired. So I was kind of relieved that I wasn't the only one who thought that this girl was being rude and kind of unprofessional, and later I heard that she was gonna go work in a different district post office anyway, so yeah, whatever. But do you guys have any post office stories like that? Let me know in the comment section below.